All right, you see we got the M4 parked up, but it's not about the M4 today. Today is about the IS 350, and both cars are extremely dirty, so don't mind that. It has been raining, even though it's a nice day today. We just went to Mexico in the M4 against a SS, full bolt-on manual, both cars. So stay tuned for that, go check that out if you're interested. But today we have the first mod for the IS 350. Okay, so maybe it's not technically a mod, but it is gonna change the look, specifically of the back here. You see, this is the before, and there's the after. This thing is legit. Look it, flexible, weatherproof. All the details are down below. Link is in the description, in the comments. This thing is just sick, cheap, affordable. Look at the difference, like it just looks so good. As you can see, slight difference, you know, it's nothing crazy, but that looks so much better than this cheap plastic. Everybody knows black looks better. It would look even cleaner if she had the special California license plate, as we'll see over here on the dirty ass M4. See, this just looks so clean. You guys seen the difference of before and after with this one. It's just you know, the little things, man. It makes it look so much better. And like I said, it's so cheap and affordable, and it's weatherproof. The thing is gonna last you forever. It comes with two. Link is down below in the description. I personally don't like the metal ones or the cheap plastic ones. This thing is perfect. So if you guys are interested, like I said, and stay tuned, because right after this one we have the video telling you guys how much Zayna paid for this, you know, how we negotiated and that whole process. So if you guys enjoy the content, like the video and stay tuned for more, man. See you on the next one. Salute.